Mastering government funding and manufacturing readiness level. Manufacturers can turbocharge their operational excellence and readiness with government funding opportunities. When are government funding opportunities available to support manufacturers in their pursuit of operational excellence, thereby enhancing their manufacturing readiness level? Government funding opportunities are readily available to support manufacturers in their pursuit of operational excellence, thereby enhancing their manufacturing readiness level. These opportunities can be categorized into various forms, including grants, tax credits, low-interest loans, and public-private partnerships. The primary objective of these funding opportunities is to empower manufacturers to adopt innovative technologies, optimize their production processes, and enhance their overall competitiveness in the global market. One of the most prominent government funding opportunities available to manufacturers is the Manufacturing Extension Partnership (MEP) program. The MEP program is a public-private partnership that provides manufacturers with access to expertise, resources, and funding to enhance their operational efficiency, product quality, and supply chain resilience. The program offers a range of services, including lean manufacturing principles, supply chain optimization, and workforce development. MEP centers are located in every state, providing manufacturers with local access to funding, training, and technical assistance. Another significant government funding opportunity is the Defense Production Act (DPA) Title III program. This program provides funding to manufacturers to enhance their production capabilities, improve supply chain resilience, and accelerate the development of critical technologies. The DPA Title III program focuses on supporting small and medium-sized businesses, promoting innovation, and creating jobs in the domestic manufacturing sector. The Small Business Innovation Research (SBIR) and Small Business Technology Transfer (STTR) programs are also notable government funding opportunities available to manufacturers. These programs provide funding to small businesses and research institutions to develop innovative technologies, products, and processes that can enhance operational excellence and manufacturing readiness. The SBIR and STTR programs focus on supporting early-stage research and development, prototyping, and commercialization of innovative technologies. In addition to these programs, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, offers various funding opportunities to support manufacturers in their pursuit of operational excellence. The NIST Manufacturing Extension Partnership (MEP) program, for instance, provides funding to manufacturers to improve their production processes, product quality, and supply chain resilience. The Advanced Manufacturing Technologies (AMTech) program, on the other hand, supports the development of innovative manufacturing technologies, such as additive manufacturing, robotics, and nanotechnology. The Department of Energy's DOE, Office of Energy Efficiency and Renewable Energy, ERE, also offers funding opportunities to support manufacturers in their pursuit of operational excellence. The ERE Industrial Technologies program provides funding to manufacturers to improve their energy efficiency, reduce energy consumption, and adopt sustainable manufacturing practices. Moreover, the National Science Foundation, NSF, offers funding opportunities to support manufacturers in their pursuit of operational excellence. The NSF Engineering Directorate, for instance, provides funding to manufacturers to develop innovative manufacturing technologies, improve production processes, and enhance product quality. State and local governments also offer funding opportunities to support manufacturers in their pursuit of operational excellence. These opportunities can include grants, tax credits, and low-interest loans to support business development, job creation, and capital investment. State and local governments may offer customized funding programs to support specific industries, such as aerospace, automotive, or biomedical manufacturing. To take advantage of these government funding opportunities, manufacturers must develop a comprehensive strategy for operational excellence. This strategy should focus on improving production processes, enhancing product quality, and increasing supply chain resilience. Manufacturers should also prioritize innovation, adopting new technologies and processes to enhance their competitiveness in the global market. In addition, manufacturers should develop a robust business plan, outlining their operational goals, financial projections, and funding requirements. This business plan should demonstrate a clear understanding of the manufacturer's operational challenges, opportunities, and growth potential. Furthermore, manufacturers should establish a strong track record of innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. This can be achieved by implementing industry-recognized standards, such as ISO 9001, and adopting lean manufacturing principles to optimize production processes and reduce waste. To enhance their manufacturing readiness level, manufacturers should prioritize workforce development, investing in training programs that enhance the skills of their employees. This can include vocational training, apprenticeships, and continuing education programs that focus on emerging technologies and industry trends. In conclusion, government funding opportunities are readily available to support manufacturers in their pursuit of operational excellence, thereby enhancing their manufacturing readiness level. By developing a comprehensive strategy for operational excellence, prioritizing innovation, and investing in workforce development, manufacturers can take advantage of these funding opportunities to enhance their competitiveness in the global market.